The rains have finally ceased in Colorado. Good news as officials continue to search for the missing from the historic flooding there. Officials say at least 8 people were killed by the deadly floodwaters. A week of torrential downpours has also left hundreds unaccounted for, and rescue crews are still trying to evacuate some victims. But other flood evacuees are returning and finding their houses destroyed. About 19,000 homes have been damaged or destroyed. Operation Blessing is there on the ground working with local churches to help victims. OB crews are also providing much needed cleanup supplies as well as prescriptions, diapers, and baby formula.
It's been so great to have Operation Blessing come to be a part of our community. We just don't have the resources and the wisdom that y'all have. You guys have been in so many different situations and disasters, and this is our first round. So we are so thankful for the wisdom that would come from Operation Blessing and organizations like yours that would bring relief.
Volunteers are also offering emotional and spiritual support through prayer.